I recently reached out to a company that you may have heard of named Gates Innovations. I presented them with a pretty unique project. I was lucky enough for them to agree to do it. They even brought in IND distribution on it, and it looks like it just arrived. So we'll get it inside, check it out, and we'll see what it's all about. Alright, so get the box inside, and let's open her up so you can see exactly how cool this thing is. So they send back the outer layer of your old key. The way they work is you send them your key along with filling out their form, and then what they do is they basically take some of the guts from this key and turn it into an X5M key. And this one had a little bit of custom, extra modification from IND in partnership with Gates Innovations. And there it is, a custom F85 X5M key on my F80. Now this one, as you may or may not be able to tell, but it's actually tanzanite blue surroundings. And then I asked them to leave the rest of it black. And it should look really good. I'm really happy with it. It looks phenomenal. Little man agrees too. Yeah, there you have it. Came out stunning. The key here, right next to the car, so you can see it, how it works well. But the key is literally right out of the box, basically from Gates Innovation, and it works, which is phenomenal. All the buttons work, everything works right out of the bat. So I just locked the car, unlocked it, trunk, but yeah, let's do panic too while we're at it. But yeah, pretty impressive. And then the pièce de résistance is the laser cutting. And again, everything's right out of the bat from Gates Innovation. Move the camera so you can see it. I wonder if... Oops, yeah, so that's a better way to do it. Yeah, I don't think you can see it, but there you go, that's better. Yeah, here you can see both. But yeah, right out of the bat from Gates Innovation, the laser cutting works. Something else to also show you, because we've done all the button stuff, right? It's back. So right now the car is locked. Yeah. So comfort access also works right out of the bat too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so there you have it. Custom X5M key on the F80. Move it to... This camera is not liking me today. I'm trying to give you some good lighting under it. There we go. And yeah, the tanzanite matches pretty good. Jesus, the camera would just work today. But even side by side, it's definitely the right color match. So thanks again for all that. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out Gates Innovation and IND if you want something like this done. And as always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.